Hey everyone, this is Lori, and in this video I'm going to give you some examples of how not to promote Kidazzler. Now I wrote an article about it. If you are not familiar with Kidazzler, please go out there and please read it. It's very detailed. I have a lot of information in it. I give updates as I learn more. So please check it out. I do have a section on how to promote Kidazzler. Okay. Now Kidazzler is an app that is coming out. It's everything kids. It's a resource for parents to find kids activities, kid-friendly businesses to take their kids to. And there's going to be all kinds of really great information for parents and kids alike. Okay, so, well, not alike, but there's going to be a lot of great information. It's a very exciting time for Kidazzler and its members. And the opportunity that they had, and it's still ongoing, is to become a Kidazzler contributing member. Go out and find kid-friendly businesses, kid-friendly activities, add those businesses to the directory, lock them in under your name, and if that business decides to become a paying member, meaning they pay Kidazzler to advertise on the Kidazzler app and website, then whoever locked that business in has the potential to make a recurring residual income every month. So if a business that you lock in decides to become a paying business to pay to advertise on Kidazzler, you can make up to $10 per month as long as that business pays Kidazzler. You could invite others, and if your downline, your direct downline, has businesses that they locked in that become paying members, or businesses that pay to advertise on Kidazzler, you can make $2 per month per business. And then the second tier, you can make $1 for every business that your downline recruits or invites, and any of their downline that has a business that becomes a paying member, you can make $1. Okay, so they cap it at $4,800 a month, which is still a pretty good way to make residual income. It is going to take time, but it is legit. I've been paid. I've won $250 in the contests that they've had, and I've also been paid. Now, my first month was only $2, but that was to be expected. I knew going in that this was going to be a gradual increase every month. Okay, so the purpose of letting you know that it is $2 is just to show you that they do pay. Okay, it is legit. Now, a lot of people have promoted this. There's thousands of members at this point, but there's been a lot of issues with people misleading others, and a lot of spam, and a lot of really poor promotional strategies by people. So the purpose of this video is to explain what not to do. Okay, so I'm just going to basically go over this. Okay, when you are promoting this, you want to be transparent, you want to be ethical, you want to be honest, you want to explain what it is, give some details, spark some interest, but be prepared to explain the full what Kidazzler really is, what it's about, and let them know that this is not an immediate, overnight moneymaker. Okay, and it's definitely not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it's definitely not a scam. Okay, so when you're posting on social media, let's say Facebook, for instance, okay, don't go out and spam somebody else's post. Okay, if someone is promoting Kidazzler, you know, you can go ahead and like it, like their post. You can say, hey, this is legit, but don't hijack their post and start promoting your own link. Do your own post. Okay? And you can join business opportunity and work from home groups and promote it, but do it honestly, do it ethically. Don't hijack other people's work that they've already put in. You can also start a Facebook fan page to use as your promotions and give your direct downline a resource if you want to do that. You could post videos explaining what Kidazzler is, okay? But I moderate all of my comments on all of my videos, and I do that because, one, I don't like trolls, I don't like mean people, and I don't like spammers, okay? And I just went out to one of my videos, and wouldn't you know it, this person is using my video to try to promote their link. Okay? So this is what I'm going to do. They spammed my video. Goodbye. Okay. You could post a review on your website. But be honest. Don't hype it up. Don't lie to people. I've seen so many misleading posts telling people that all you have to do is add businesses and you can make $10 per month. That is complete nonsense. It's misleading. It's a lie. And the information that they're leaving out is that whatever business you add, they have to become a paying member. That's the key. Some of the businesses that you lock in will become a paying member. Some of them won't. Okay, it's as simple as that. So when you explain this to people, you need to let them know up front. Let them know up front that it is not an immediate money-making opportunity, that it will take time, because there's thousands of businesses that Kidazzler needs to contact and, pitch their sales pitch to them and their advertising benefits and all that. It's going to take time. Okay? But chances are you're going to make some money. It may not be a lot, but chances are if you promote it enough and you get a good downline, that will increase your opportunity to make more money. Okay? Now, what they've done is they've given us the earning potential. And I'm going to do a breakdown here. And those of you who are members already, you already know about this. Now it says up to $4,800. So they will cap it at $4,800. I'm not thrilled about that, but that's the way it is. That's their decision. Now they did tell us that once any member that reaches the $4,800 per month of actual earnings have other opportunities as influencers, and there's other opportunities for those people. Okay, and my goal is to be one of those people. Okay, but here's the breakdown. So we can add 65 businesses, and they give us the opportunity to add 5 more businesses each month. Okay, now you can see that I have 6,500 businesses that my direct downline has added. Okay? And the potential there is, that's 13,000. But, again, it's never going to reach that on my end because they're going to cap me and every other member at 4,800. Okay? And then the same thing. There's 6,300 businesses where I could make a potential of $1. And again, I'm not going to make 6,300. So that's where you get the 20,000. So I can realistically say, okay, even if I get 5% of that 20,000, let's do the math. I'll do a couple of them here. Okay, so 20,000, 0, 2, 1, times 5% equals $1,000. You know what? I'd be happy with that. That's $1,000 of potential recurring residual passive income that I could make. I'd be happy if it was 500. But all of it hinges on how many of these businesses are going to actually become paying members. I can't stress that enough. Okay? So as you can tell, I've done a lot of promoting. I have, without going into any, okay, I've invited 872 people to join. Now, not all of those people are active. Some of them are in other countries that are not yet active on Kidazzler. Kidazzler will be adding more countries later on this year. Okay, so again, be careful and be respectful when you're promoting this. Okay, you can promote it to your email list, but again, don't spam them. Explain it. And you need to learn everything you can about Kidazzler inside and out. You could go out to their blog. Somewhere they've got a blog here. Has frequently asked questions. I try to answer as many questions in my review as I can. But again, don't spam. Don't hijack other people's posts or their videos. Don't lie to people. Don't mislead them. Okay, do your work. Do your homework. Do your research. Understand what Kidazzler is and what they're offering. Okay, and I did this all, this amount right here, this was all transparency. I didn't have to trick anybody. I didn't have to lie to anybody. I just made the videos, explained what I know about it, explained what the opportunity is, and it was all done ethically, transparently, honestly, through legitimate means. So it's possible. Okay? So be respectful, have good business tactics and ethics and marketing strategies, stay above the board, and you could be successful as well. Okay? Not making any promises, but the potential is there. Alright? So I'm well on my way to potentially making the $4,800. And it's, it's going to be cool because this is going to be ongoing for as long as those businesses remain paying customers. And there's going to be fluctuation. Some months there's going to be a little bit more. Some months there might be a little bit less. Just have to wait and see. But I do know that Kidazzler is a legitimate opportunity. But I do encourage you to be honest and to be ethical in your promotions. Don't hijack my videos or anybody's videos or posts. Don't steal other people's videos. I found one person on YouTube that stole 7 of my videos that I made of Kidazzler. And you know what I did? I reported them for copyright infringement and had all of their videos that they stole of mine taken down. So once a week I go out and I look for videos, my videos that other people have stolen. Because they're stealing my views, they're stealing my customer or my potential downline, and they're being unethical. Alright? Thanks for watching. Good luck. If you have any questions about Kidazzler, let me know. Thanks.